In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity AI API. By the end, you'll have a working API key and know exactly how to set up your account so you can start building with Perplexity's models. First, head to the Perplexity website. Once you're on the home page, look for your profile icon in the top corner. Open it and choose All Settings. This takes you into the account area where developer features live. Next, find and open the API platform section. This switches you over to the developer console where keys, billing, and usage are managed. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in. Go ahead and sign in to proceed. Before you can create a key, you'll need to set up an API group. Think of an API group as a container for your organization or project. It helps segment billing and usage and is required for compliance. Provide a clear name and your address details. Use accurate information here so invoices and tax details are correct. Now add a payment method and purchase credits. Credits start at a low minimum, typically around $5, which makes it easy to get going. Perplexity bills usage against your credit balance, so topping up ensures your requests won't fail. A quick tip, set a budget you're comfortable with and keep an eye on your balance to avoid interruptions. You won't be able to generate an API key until you have a positive credit balance. After purchasing, wait a moment for the balance to reflect. If it hasn't updated yet, refresh the page and confirm your payment went through. Once your balance is positive, open the API Keys tab. This is where you'll manage all keys tied to your API group. It's a good practice to create separate keys per environment or project so you can revoke or rotate them independently if needed. Give each key a descriptive name you'll recognize later. Click the button to create or generate a new API key. The console will produce a key for you. Immediately copy the full value. Keys typically start with a perplex prefix and store it securely. For safety, the full key is displayed only once. Save it in a trusted password manager or as an environment variable in your development setup. Never paste it into public repos, client-side code, or screenshots. If a key is ever exposed, revoke it and create a new one. That's it. You've navigated to the API platform, set up your API group, funded